Since we've had CompanyCam, documenting landscape projects has been really easy just because the pictures, all the notes, everything's all in one spot.
Prior to using CompanyCam, we're just like most folks taking pictures with our phones, struggling to organize them and find them.
A lot of times with my phone, how we were doing it was just taking pictures and I wouldn't put them into a specific file. Then you'd have to share that file with other people so we could, everyone could have those photos. With CompanyCam, everything's saved in the cloud. You can access it from multiple devices without having to share a document.
The real change for us is the before, during, and after of landscaping, where we're getting a good look at a property. That's where the big fit with us has been.
For us, we don't have a website, so people can't just go click on something and see what we do. So to be able to have really good quality photos with before and afters just looks professional without having to do really any work.
It's user-friendly, and if I can do it, anybody can.